Here we have a really great app running as a kiosk, but also on phones and tablets. In this case, on an iPad Pro, but you can certainly get a sense of how this works on a kiosk space. Some great photography in here. We can kind of drill into an individual item from the splash page, or we can, once we're inside one of them, go through these different sections, including real-time weather feeds in degrees centigrade. We can go into these different sections, maybe look at accommodation, the different features of accommodation. There might be specific free things that we can do within a given area. The other cool thing is we can bring up a map here. So we can bring up, say, the North Island, go to a specific area within the North Island, like Coldwater Beach, and look at the events that are on there. And the cool thing about that is, if we look at the itinerary for Coldwater Beach, or the activities, or the accommodation, they're all specific to that region. One of the other great things about this is that if we go into one of the sections, for example, the trails or into the skiing areas, and we have a look at the activities, is that some of these, for example, the AJ Hackett bungee jumping, has quite a bit of artwork as well within their section. And then they have all the information about the times, and you can actually go through and make the bookings with your driver at the kiosk near the tourism areas, or on your own phone. So in that sense, it does run as a hybrid experience, but very beautiful. And the great thing about this particular example is no code, so it literally runs off, in this case, a Google spreadsheet that they maintain. Here's an app for the new Intel Skylake processor. Now, one of the cool things about this app is that we literally can see a 3D animated view of the processor and the different, I guess, subsections of the processor. So people can kind of watch the animation or manipulate it and explore. We have some highlights on the performance of the new processor, some detail that we can drill into on different sections or different capabilities of the processor. We can drill into the different specific designs between consumer and enterprise. And there's also
in just a few short years, technology's really changed. And with the new 6th generation Intel Core processor, personal computing devices are about to get cooler than ever. From blazing fast startups to amazing...
Here's some branded sales material. And one of the cool things about this is it uses some of our advanced 3D components, like this cool carousel. So we can go into a section like, say, Amazon, read a bit about what they're doing, and go into the case studies and the specific areas that they've been working on to make a difference. One of the great things about this is you can get really into the interactivity, so we can be controlling characters and animation and particle systems and parallax and scrolling.